Hey all, welcome to Natural Healthy Living with Maeve. Today we'll be taking a step to step guide on how to make the lentil and veggie stir fry to enhance and boost fertility. This recipe is packed with nutrients that support fertility, such as iron, folic acid, and antioxidants from the vegetables and lentils. The ingredients in making lentil and veggie stir fry: 1 cup cooked lentils, green or brown, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 zucchini sliced, 1 carrot julienned, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 small onion sliced, 2 tablespoons olive oil or coconut oil, 2 tablespoons soy sauce or tamari, 1 teaspoon fresh ginger grated, 2 garlic cloves mixed, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds optional, fresh cilantro for garnish optional, cooked brown rice or quinoa for serving optional. Directions: prep the ingredients. Ensure all the vegetables are washed and cut as specified. Cook the lentils if they are not pre cooked. 2. Heat the oil in a large skillet or wok. Heat the olive oil or coconut oil over medium high heat. 3. Cook the aromatics. Add, add the mixed garlic and grated ginger to the skillet. Saute for about 1 minute until fragrant. 4. Add the vegetables. Add the sliced onion, bell pepper, zucchini, carrots, and broccoli to the skillet. Stir fry for like 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender but still crisp. 5. Add the lentils. Add the cooked lentils to the skillet and stir to combine with the vegetables. Number 6. Season. Pour the soy sauce or tamari over the mixture and stir well to coat everything evenly. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until everything is heated through. Optional addition: if using, sprinkle sesame seeds over the stir fry and garnish with fresh cilantro if desired. Serve. Serve the stir fry hot on its own or over a bed of cooked brown rice or quinoa for a more substantial meal. Nutritional benefits: lentils, high in iron and folic acid, which are important for reproductive health. Vegetables, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and fertility. Ginger and garlic, known for their anti inflammatory properties, which can support a healthy reproductive system. Sesame seeds, a good source of zinc, which is important for hormone regulations. This recipe does not only support but is also delicious and easy to prepare. So that's how to make the lentil and veggie stir fry. Now we're gonna look at the Greek yogurt parfait. The Greek yogurt parfait, this simple yet nutritional parfait, is designed to boost fertility with ingredients rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, full fat or low fat. Half cup granola. Choose a variety with nuts and seeds for added nutrients. Half cup fresh mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. 1 tablespoon flax seeds or chia seeds. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. Optional. 1 tablespoon nuts such as almonds or walnuts chopped. Directions. Prep the ingredients. Ensure the berries are washed and the nuts are chopped if you're using them. The first layer of the parfait. In a glass or bowl, spoon half cup of Greek yogurt in the bottom. Add a layer of granola, about 2 tablespoons. Add a layer of mixed berries, about 2 tablespoons. Repeat the layers. Step 3. Add another half cup of Greek yogurt. Follow with another 2 tablespoons of granola. Add another 2 tablespoons of mixed berries. The final layer and topping. Add the final half cup of Greek yogurt on top. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup. Sprinkle with flax seeds or chia seeds and chopped nuts if using. Serve immediately to enjoy the freshness and crunch of the granola. Nutritional benefits. Greek yogurt, high in protein and probiotics, which support gut health and hormone balance. Berries packed with antioxidants with vitamin C and fiber, which are crucial for protecting cells and supporting overall reproductive health. Granola. Granola provides a mix of whole grains, nuts, and seeds, offering essential nutrients like zinc and healthy fats. Flax seeds slash chia seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, which are beneficial for hormone regulation. Honey slash maple syrup, natural sweeteners that add a touch of sweetness without the need for refined sugar, which can negatively impact hormone balance. This Greek yogurt parfait is not only a delicious and refreshing breakfast or snack option, but also a great way to incorporate fertility boosting nutrients into your diet. Thank you all for watching and listening. Please, if you need personalized advice, please reach out to a qualified nutritionist or a healthcare professional. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.